Just got the truck nice and washed after a good couple days of mudding. Oh, all nice and clean, even not really, but we kind of destroyed this car wash. There's literally shit everywhere. There's shit everywhere. Legitimately, right there.
And then what does it say?
Yeah, that's what the sign says. I don't understand it because it's a car wash. So yeah, there's a camera. All right, set this. I'm gonna start her up. You just listen to how loud she is.
As you can see, that, my friend, is the beautiful little exhaust. Go! What? Oh. Oh, literally out of nowhere. We're nowhere. And we're just at this random car wash. I guess. What? Hey, Ben, hey! Okay, go. Baby burnout in the car wash. Make sure we, oh, that's natural mark. You made a mark. Look at it. Look how beautifully clean this thing is. Tiny, oh my God. This is what happens when you're just a bit drunk on a Tuesday morning. No, don't worry, we're just, oh my God, wait, Nate, Ben.
screw it. It's Massachusetts. No one gives a shit. Yeah, be a good Samaritan.
You should always put your trash back under.
All right, let's go.